Time decoding the art of war wherever. 52 past the hour. In culture and entertainment, the third World Conference of Sinologists opened in Dunhuang. The event in Northwest China brings together scholars, researchers, and other representatives from around the world, focusing on how civilization will dialogue and help address global challenges. MLite-880 reports.
The third World Conference of Sinologists in Dunhuang is being held under the theme.
Many people may think that the MLite-880 looks like a very professional and complicated device when they first see it. But in fact, the MLite-880 is a portable SDR radio. The biggest difference between the MLite-880 and a traditional radio is not that it makes radio operation more complicated, but that it brings a different experience for finding and listening to stations. The way traditional radios are used is familiar to many people. You turn it on, select a band, rotate the tuning knob, and then rely on your ears to judge where the stations are. This method is simple and straightforward, but in many cases, we do not know whether there is a signal ahead. We can only listen little by little and search step by step. The biggest difference with the MLite-880 is that it has a spectrum display. You can first choose the band you want to listen to. Since the MLite-880 has wider frequency coverage, there are more bands available to choose from. On the screen, you can see the signal changes within the current band. If you see a clear peak on the spectrum, it usually means there is a signal there. The higher the peak, the stronger the signal usually is. The lower the peak, the weaker the signal may be. This makes it much easier to tell where there is a clear signal and where there is only noise. You can also directly enter a frequency you already know. So instead of relying only on your ears and slowly scanning through the band, the MLite-880 lets you see the signal first, and then tune to it for listening. Besides AM and FM, the MLite-880 also supports multiple receiving modes, including SSB, CW, and synchronous AM detection. These modes help you receive different types of radio signals. It is not only for everyday broadcast listening, but also for exploring more shortwave, amateur radio, and other radio signals. With a traditional radio, in many cases, you simply listen to whatever sound you receive. If the noise is strong or the signal is weak, the amount of adjustment you can make is relatively limited. But after the MLite-880 finds a signal, you can continue to fine-tune it. For example, if there is a lot of background noise, you can use noise reduction. If there is interference nearby, you can watch the spectrum and adjust the bandwidth. Bandwidth can be understood simply as how wide of a range we allow the radio to receive around that signal. The higher peak in the middle of the screen is the signal currently being received. At the moment, the bandwidth range is still a little narrow, so it does not fully include the entire signal. So in this case, we can use the spectrum display as a guide and make the bandwidth a little wider, so that it covers the main part of the signal as much as possible. A wider bandwidth may make the sound more natural and fuller, but it can also bring in more nearby noise and interference.
Phải thấy rằng ta đã thắng được một nước, trong khi lực lượng ta còn yếu, chấp nhận ngay cuộc chạm trán lệ lửa thì thua là cái chắc khi cả thế giới
When you are dealing with a relatively weak station, the bandwidth should not always be set too wide. The wider the bandwidth is, the larger the receiving range becomes, and nearby noise and interference can also come in more easily. In this case, we can watch the spectrum and narrow the bandwidth slightly, so that the receiving range focuses more on the main signal. This can help reduce surrounding interference and make the weak signal sound clearer and easier to distinguish. There are also many other settings you can adjust, such as AGC. If the signal sounds unstable, becoming stronger and weaker from time to time, you can also use AGC to improve it. If the audio is still not clear enough, you can also increase the NR noise reduction level appropriately. So, the MLite-880 is not a complicated device made only for professional users. It is a new generation portable SDR radio designed for everyday portable radio enthusiasts. At the same time, it offers a very different experience from a traditional radio. For example, you can adjust the bandwidth while watching the spectrum, instead of relying only on your ears. And bandwidth adjustment is only one part of it. Based on the condition of the signal, you can also make many other adjustments, such as AGC, NR noise reduction, and more. In future videos, I will continue to show you more ways to explore and get the most out of the MLite-880.